This is a brief announcement for a 1-hour workshop, Pitch to Win, Getting What You Want, at Next Step Toastmasters in Santa Clara, California. This is an in-person meeting of a Toastmasters club in Santa Clara, California. This will be from 2 to 3 p.m. Pacific Time this coming Sunday, August 13th, 2023. Workshop title is Pitch to Win, Getting What You Want. An effective pitch is essential to achieving your goals both socially and professionally. This workshop will reveal how to grab the attention of your listeners quickly, communicate your key points clearly, and persuade them to act. During the session, you'll hear what works best and where caution should be exercised. The workshop is run by Declan Shalvey, an engineer and C-level executive by profession. Declan has lived in Europe, US, and Asia over his 40-year career in technology. He has been an active member of 3 to 4 Toastmaster clubs for the last 9 years, serving as area director, club coach, club mentor, and in multiple officer roles in multiple clubs. He's also a distinguished Toastmaster. You can learn more about Next Step Toastmasters at our website, nextsteptm.toastmastersclubs.org. And I will give the meeting information and directions. Usually our meetings are on the second Sunday of each month, 2 to 4 p.m. We usually have a 1 hour or so educational session or workshop or some other event of this type. From 2 to 3 p.m. we'll have a short break, and then we have the actual club meeting with speeches by our members, evaluations, and so forth. Our in-person location is the South Bay Historical Railroad, 1005 Railroad Avenue, Santa Clara, California, 95050-4319. We meet in the boardroom, which has a separate entrance near the southeast corner of the museum building. Free parking, 10 spaces, is adjacent to the building. More free parking is in a nearby shopping center. Caltrain parking is $5.50 per day. We are in the Santa Clara Caltrain station. This is an aerial photograph of the building here, Railroad Avenue here. There's a small amount of free parking here. As mentioned, you can find some free parking in some of the shopping areas around the area. The boardroom is located here. And here we have a map showing 1005 Railroad Avenue. 82 here is El Camino Real, which is a main sort of road in the Silicon Valley, Santa Clara County area. The Caltrain station is just across the street from Santa Clara University here. So again, the workshop, which will be on Sunday, August 13th, from 2 to 3 p.m., and this is an in-person Toastmasters meeting, is Pitch to Win, Getting What You Want.